Once you've opened your image, go to the Object Selection tool. Draw roughly around the food. You may have to wait whilst your computer processes what you've done. Once Photoshop has selected around your food, you can add a mask. Use the Object Selection tool again to pick out part of your food item. Add an adjustment layer, choose solid color. Choose a color. Press OK. Now reduce the fill. Nothing is selected right now, so let's add an adjustment layer to the entire food. Here I'm just adjusting the colors of the color balance. Add another adjustment layer such as hue and experiment. You could also add a new fill layer with a gradient. This is where you name the layer if you want to. Click on the gradient bar to change the colors. Click on the little stop to change the color. You can add more stops to change the gradient and move them across. Press the arrow to reveal some ready-made gradients. You can move the new gradient layer down to go behind the food. Notice how the color is affected by the layers added earlier.